Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to take you through a simple fix for a couple of common issues with your Geberit flush plate. So if you've watched my videos on troubleshooting the Geberit flush valve and fill valve, you'll know that they should fix most of the problems you come across. However, you may still be encountering an issue, so today I'm going to take you through one of the extremely common issues that is easily fixed. When removing the flush plate to get into your cistern, this particular one I'm using here is a Geberit Sigma cistern, but the fix can be applied to any of the Geberit range of cisterns. And it's common that you get a couple of issues when you've reassembled it. Either the water is still leaking into the pan, or your flush plate button is stuck and won't flush. Fortunately though, as I said, these are very easy to fix and are generally caused by these. These are the flush rods. If you have them pushed in too far, it keeps the flush valve open and will cause the water to flow into your pan. Conversely, if you have them pulled out too far, as shown here, this happens and your button won't work at all. To fix this, you're going to need to remove the flush plate and adjust the flush rod. You do this by turning it left to unlock it. Then in this case, simply push it slightly further back. Then lock it again by turning it right until you hear a click. That signifies it's locked into place. And then there may be a small trial and error to get the perfect alignment, but generally it's a really simple fix and that should solve your issue quickly. I should just say as well that generally these are the type of issues that only happen after you've made adjustments to the cistern and removed the flush plate and then tried to put it back on again. So if you do have a cistern that's been installed for a while that suddenly starts leaking water into the pan and you haven't made any of these adjustments, taking the flush plate off, putting it back on again, then it's probably going to be one of the fill valve or the flush valve. So head over to my other videos to help fix any potential issue with these. And as you can see by the comments, don't worry if you're not big on DIY, you don't have to be handy or be a plumber to resolve these issues. They're very simple fix and they've helped out many people already. I hope this has been helpful for you today. If it has, don't forget to leave us a like. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. And don't forget, you can find more information like this over on our blog at flushplates.com. Thanks again for watching. Speak soon. Bye-bye.